All right, so I know I'm a bit late to this topic, a whole week in fact, but you know what? I don't care. I've been wanting to talk about this for the whole week because, oh my God, Microsoft, are you trying to sink your own Windows 11 ship deeper and deeper than it already is? Are you seriously trying to hurt the market share of your operating system? It drives me bonkers what these decisions. So what am I talking about today? The CEO of Microsoft has actually announced an AI photographic memory feature called Recall. This feature will take constant screenshots of basically anything that you do, like every few seconds, or every few minutes it takes a screenshot. Why they decide to implement this feature, I have no idea, besides the fact that they want to spy on you, even though they've already been basically spying on you. You know what? We're gonna watch this 1-minute clip from Dexerto. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Let's see what Microsoft's CEO has to say about it.
How do we introduce memory, right? Photographic memory into what you do on the PC.
Great, another Windows 11 feature that'll solve absolutely nothing. Fantastic. Yeah, great work. But in all seriousness though, who needs this? And secondly, if you want to save something, if you want to save like images or whatever, it's called storage, it's called hard drives. And if you want to take a picture, you can use Microsoft's built-in screen cap tool. Already, what is the point of this?
And now we have it. So it's called Recall. It's not keyword search, right? It's semantic search over all your history. And it's not just about any document. We can recreate moments from the past, essentially.
Oh, by the way, I love like all these CEO buzzwords he uses. Like he's trying to hide the fact that this is a creepy, just another unnecessary feature. I hate when people do this. They try to make it sound as comfy as a pillow, They try to make it all corporate. They try to make it clean. When in reality, it's just taking screenshots of your desktop in the background. Yeah, that's totally not creepy at all, huh, Microsoft?
Here's how it works. Windows constantly takes screenshots of what's on your screen, then uses a generative AI model right on the device, along with the NPU, to process all that data and make it searchable, even photos. I got to try it out. I searched brown leather bag. It came up in visual search. There's no place on this page that it says brown leather bag. It just knows because it sees this brown leather bag.
Oh my God, this is legit just getting creepier and creepier by the moment. So even if, let's say you search red cup, for example, and the words red cup aren't even on the page, it could still see a red cup. Oh my God, this is just, I mean, I know this is AI, but this is a whole new level of creepy. This, I honestly have no words to describe this because, oh my God. Oh, no worry, it's not spying. It's just automatically taking pictures for you. Yeah, well then let me take pictures on my screen whenever I want to. Don't just automatically take them after every interval and potentially waste my storage space and use up more of my resources.
There could be this reaction from some people that this is pretty creepy. Microsoft is taking screenshots of everything I do.
She even says that people are gonna think it's creepy. Hey, Microsoft, you better have a good excuse for this, because if not, oh, this is gonna hurt you big time.
Yeah, I mean, that's why it can only do it on the edge.
Oh my God, I love the backpedaling he does too. It only works on the edge. It only works on the edge. Okay, first of all, that sounds like boomer speak. Secondly, I call bullshit on that because almost no one uses Edge. We know your track record, Microsoft. We know you're gonna put it in the operating system regardless. Frankly, I don't see any good excuses for adding more fuel to the fire, let's say, adding more spying utilities for yourselves to spy on others. I mean, it is just ridiculous. This is just insane to me.
Right, so this is you have to put two things together. This is my computer.
Okay, Microsoft, if this is our computer, let me ask you a little question here. Why are you forcing us to use pointless shit just so you could spy on us? Heck, why are you spying on us? Why can't we have privacy? This shouldn't be that hard to understand. You know, why are you forcing updates on us that cause the operating system to break? Why is it that when we uninstall, like let's say Microsoft Edge or the store, for example, it comes back in another update? Huh? You want to answer me that?
This is my recall, and it's all being done locally.
It's beginning to smell a lot like bullshit everywhere you go. But in all seriousness though, really? It's all only being done locally? Come on. We all know this is not, even if it is local right now, in the future, you could constantly be uploading these screenshots. Even if it is like proven to be local, it's not guaranteed. I'm just not gonna trust anything you say at this point because, I mean, you're basically, you know, you've been lying to us. And I understand you're a company and you have to make money, but holy crap, after this, I'm not using Windows 11 or Windows 12 or whichever future versions come out ever again. Holy crap. Yeah, this is this is awful. What have we learned here today, ladies and gentlemen? Well, use Linux. That's all I can say really, is just use Linux. Don't trust Microsoft. Don't trust when they say, oh, we're gonna introduce this feature that will make it much better and give you like this little teddy bear huggy wuggy bullshit. I hate that talk. Don't trust Microsoft. If you want to get out of the Microsoft ecosystem and like, let's say, you know, you just use the computer to browse the web or create documents, just use like Linux Mint or MX Linux because you're gonna have a much better experience with those. Now, if you're into gaming, I mean, it's not gonna be 100% with Linux, but it's a lot better than it was like 5 or so years ago. Because now we have like Steam and, you know, like Proton because of the Steam Deck. And now, you know, a lot of games can run on Linux pretty much no problems. Unless if it's like a game that needs like DRM or like, you know, like Uplay, or if it's like the Epic Game Store, which by the way, games from those companies usually are just garbage anyway, so those don't really matter to me. But my point is, I think you'd have a much better experience using Linux. If you guys liked the video, you know, make sure you give the video a like, subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content. Until next time, guys, peace.